But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl D. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's your girl D. Big up on yourself. To the people them that are always here, me love uno bad. Guys, remember to watch my videos to the end, please. If our ads pop up, don't skip it out. Make it run. You don't know how the thing go. So, me not in no bag of talking tonight. I'm just come telling you the things as is. Persons were asking me, how can you promote your YouTube for free? Oh my god. So yeah, how to promote your YouTube for free. That is gonna be my video for tonight. I'm gonna give you guys like some little insights, like some little things that you guys can do to promote your YouTube videos without having a lot of money at all. But at the end of the day, on the north say, if you come to the test, I have to spend like a ching. Then you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, me love uno bad. When I ask Jesus, me love uno bad. So guys, basically, I have my notes as usual. Uno know that because I don't want to come tell you no foolishness. I make sure say whatever me I tell uno, creditable. Right? I love you guys so much. I may not know how much more for some love, you know. Stop watch the video them and skip out the ads them do. I don't like that. And stop watch the video them halfway and stop. I don't like that either. But anyways, number 5. I'm gonna start from number 5 and I'm gonna count down. Okay guys, we're gonna start from number 5 and we're gonna count down to number 1. So number 5, basically, we're gonna go like really fast. We're gonna try to keep everybody engaged. Guys, do not next the video. Listen keenly and carefully, take notes because you guys will need these tips going further down into the game. Uno understand? Zaga. Alright, so number 5 basically is collaborations. Collaborations is very good because you have small YouTubers, you have big YouTubers, you have in the middle YouTubers, you have YouTubers that are not really YouTubers. Oh, no, me I talk about. No, this will help to enhance your channel because say that I have 1,000 subscribers already and you have like 500 subscribers and I hit you up and I be like, okay, let's do a collaboration because I realize that probably some of the persons on my platform are not on your platform. That's a very good idea to do collaborations because the persons that are on their platform might be interested in you as a person, like the way how you made them feel in the video that you guys do together, and that can help to boost your promotion. So that is your channel, sorry. So that is one form of promotion right there. So collaborations are very good, guys. Do not be afraid to reach out to somebody and be like, hey, can I have a collaboration? If it is yes, it is yes. If it is no, it is no. No blood loss. You understand? Yeah. So collaborations is very good. Let me look on the notes to see that. Yeah. So other people that have just started out and probably don't have probably don't have a lot of content like you are probably fishing for content ideas in the sense that they want video ideas, they want more supporters. And if you and them can come together and do a wicked collaboration, then it is also better for your audience, also their audience. When you stay with me means that an English person, means a patwa kind of girl. So if you hear me mess up and call 1 and 2 words wrong, don't me. I'm human. Okay? Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you very much. I'm being an ass. Am I being an ass? Am I being rude? Am I being weird? I just feel happy. Like, why wouldn't I feel happy? Alright, so let's jump to number 4, okay? Number 4 is SEO. That is search engine optimization. SEO. Search engine optimization. YouTube is owned by Google. Everybody knows that YouTube is owned by Google. Now, it's all about the algorithm. Google tends to search for algorithms. Like, say, for example, the channels that are trending on YouTube right now is the couple channels that have, like, I prank my boyfriend that I'm leaving or whatever. So, you always want to use keywords out of captions that are already being popular on YouTube. So always search for content that is being watched a lot. Say for example, you see a lot of videos going on YouTube with like, I prank my boyfriend that I'm leaving him. You can also do a video and you can also call it the same thing, because YouTube have an algorithm that is single filing out the videos that are trending on YouTube. So if you want to hit that, you have to make sure that your channel have catchy names. Your channel have names that people are actually looking for. And me stuck again. Yeah. So yeah, like it literally the algorithm, by the way, like it's literally trying to pick the type of audience your channel is trying to attract. So they look for things like tags, things like links, things like title, and it optimizes them with keywords. So you always try to search for catchy titles and apply them to your YouTube titles, guys. Nothing is wrong with seeing something called I am a boy, and you use back the same thing, I am a boy, because that is already a catchy thing on YouTube. A lot of persons are typing in for that. So if you use it, it's not a big deal. It is okay to do that, to do the same topic, do the same video, because remember, all of us have our own little unique thing about us. So everybody's video is not gonna be the same. It might be the same title, but it will never be the same. If it's a prank, everybody have different reactions. So don't be afraid to pick up the title them, the tags them, the hashtag them, and use them. I hope you understand. Okay, cool. Next, guys, can you stop? Number 3, I got kids, see with me. Number 3, social media. Social media is another way to promote your YouTube channel. Free. Social media, you can share your links on social media. Like, there are groups on social media. You have sometimes people just put you in some groups on like Instagram. That happens to me a lot. I don't know if it happens to everybody else, but it literally happens to me a lot. People just pick me up and fling me in some group on Instagram, and me not even stay for check out and see what really I go another group. All me do is next off, guys. So people literally just take me up and throw me in groups on Instagram, and me not even smart enough for share my link them. You know what me do? Block and delete the people them. Yeah. So me need to take more advantage of that too. I need to start sending in my links to these people and see if, like, you know, we can get some more attraction and interaction and what bag up all the goodies. In your bio also, guys, your bio on Instagram, you can put your link in your bio on Instagram too, and that is another good way to promote your channel. Yeah, so we're down to number 4. Number 4 is engage on channels. Guys, we are trying to build our channels. Other people are trying to build their channels too. And I think it is very unfair for us to be fishing out every single day. Oh, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, but you don't want to subscribe to nobody's YouTube channel. Oh, please watch my videos, but you don't want to watch anybody's videos. That is just selfish, cruel, and very unfair. So if it is that you have a YouTube channel and you're on YouTube browsing, feel free to search for other parties that probably have similar videos to you, have similar audience that you're trying to attract. Interact with them, comment on them, video them, and them look something there, yeah. it does help, because when people see you doing that, they're gonna say, oh well, this person is probably honest, is not unfair, so I can give this person strength back, because strength goes where strength comes from, and you can't expect people to support you when you not support nobody. Plain and simple. Me no need to break it down no prettier or no uglier. I'm just finna give you guys it exactly how it is, exactly what it is. I might be speaking fast, but no, I'm not dumb. You literally understand every word that come out of my mouth right now. True or false? True or false? You understand? So for me, when somebody comes on my YouTube, and when I check the comments, all the persons that comment, I literally like click on their thing and I go to their page, and once I realize that it's an active page, I subscribe. Even listen, speak the truth and speak it always. Enough of una page me subscribe to, and uno no post nothing, period, but I still subscribe because y'all subscribe to me, so why not subscribe back to you guys? It's only fair to support who's supporting you. Simple, plain and simple. Yeah, plain and simple. You comment on the live streams, guys. That is one pointer. Comment on the live streams. Subscribe to the big channels. Do not be posting your links in the people them comment section. It's not cool. But you can always leave a nice little message like, hey, I just subscribed to your channel, I love your content. It'd be so nice if you could check my content out too. XOXO, whatever. You know, you keep it cute. Keep it cute and keep it cool, and be yourself. Okay, the number 5. The number 1. I'm sorry, guys, because I was counting down, so I kind of gone back up at top again. The number 1. The number 1 thing that you have to do, and this is the most important, that is the reason I left it for last and I put it at number 1. Consistency. Consistency is key on YouTube. You cannot start your channel, hit 4,000 watch hours, and then stop posting. That is impossible. Like, it's not how shall I put it? It's not even, it's insane to hit it and then stop posting. You got to be consistent. You have to constantly post. You have to be consistent, guys. Consistency is key. Make sure that you have, like, you don't have to post every single day, but you can have special days. You say, okay, I'm posting today, I'm posting today, I'm posting today, and you make sure that you post. You have to keep, like, you have to keep entertaining your audience. You have to keep interacting with your audience. You have to make sure that you're putting out stuff so your audience can be entertained, because if you don't, you will eventually lose all your subscribers. They will unsubscribe. They will eventually forget about your channel. So consistency is KEY. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you guys learned something, and those are ways that you can promote your channel to get better outcomes, better views, better subscribers faster. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you watched it to the end, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tag somebody. Yeah, tag somebody. Oh, and comments. Leave me a nice comment. I'll comment back. Love y'all. Peace out.